Oops, sorry.
Okay, can everybody hear me okay? Yes. All right, well, good morning, my dear friends from ACE and Thrill Seekers United. I am so glad that you guys were able to come out and hang out with us today here at SeaWorld San Antonio and celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Great White Roller Coaster. I just want to reiterate that this was the first inverted roller coaster in Texas and was also the very first roller coaster at any SeaWorld park. Okay, so this is the granddaddy. This is the one that started them all. People loved it, and we started building roller coasters at all the other SeaWorld parks, right? So thank you so much for coming. So as we get over to the Great White, you guys have ERT from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Get in as many rides as you want at Great White. We also have birthday cookies that you can help yourself to. And where's my friend Bert? Bert, can you show everybody that backpack that you have real quick?
Ooh.
Look at that cool little title search sling backpack. Everybody gets one of those as well, and we get them right over there. Okay. So before we get into the cookies, into the rides, and into the bag distribution, we're going to do a group photo in front of Great White, which we'll put up on SeaWorld social media later on this afternoon.
Nice.
And then one last thing before I let you go. Right here is Whitewater Exchange. If you are a pass member, this is where you will come and get your Great White Tumbler collectible. Okay, so it's free if you're a pass member. Just come by here and get it at any time. It's from 11 to 1 o'clock. All right? Once we're done with the ERT, the cookies, and the bags, guys, it's time for 7 C's. You guys, some of you guys have your punches already. Go in, enjoy yourself. I'll be around if you want to eat and stumble with Ray a little bit later today. But other than that, I just want to say thank you once again for coming out, guys, and I hope you enjoyed your ERT this morning. Let's go celebrate Great White, all right? More about the cookies and the ride.
Oh, go with it. Oh, good. Thank you.
We normally get that on the show. Where do you want to sit?
I'll guess I'll take a side one.
Take a side one? Okay, well, I'll sit next to you. How about that?
All right.
Then you get to hear me giggle and laugh.
Here we go.
To go. Thumbs up with the cameras? No. Liar. Right as we go by a security camera. Thumbs up! There's another one coming.
Wait, I did. The operator.
Okay, last one. She did do it. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh my.
we go.
To go. Oh my goodness. Are you doing thumbs up with the cameras? No. Liar. Right as we go by a security camera. Thumbs up. There's another one coming.
Wave paid did. The operator.
Okay, last one. She did do it. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh my.
That's a way to wake up.